Hello guys, welcome or welcome back to Sketch School of Art and Creativity. So this video is going to be very important as we are going to discuss about the NATA 2023 first attempt examination. The students who have just appeared for the examination or are going to appear for the second or the third attempt, this video will be very helpful for you because we're going to discuss in detail the review of the examination, the marks distribution, the paper pattern in this particular exam, and even we'll discuss about the second and third attempt registration process, in which attempt you should appear. बहुत confusion हो रहा है सब लोगों को कि कब register करना है, कौन से attempt दें, कौन सा ना दें हम. So definitely we'll discuss and I'll answer all the queries that right now are in the minds of all the NATA 2023 aspirants. So do not miss any part of this video and stay tuned with me. Alright, so first of all, let's discuss about the NATA examination pattern. क्या paper pattern आया था first attempt में. So the paper pattern was thankfully identical, almost similar to previous years. So 2022, 2021 जैसा ही एकदम examination pattern था. See the number of questions, the marks distribution वो तो same रहना ही था because the brochure was same, so that was confirmed. But other than that कोई नया type का question या कुछ ऐसा major change नहीं था. Everything, the same topics, the same type of questions, सब कुछ similar था. The only thing that was actually different, जो उन्होंने actually change करा और अच्छा करा वो change करके, that in the 30-second question, जो questions in which the image disappears and you have to answer the two questions based on that, उसमें they gave 45 seconds instead of 30 seconds, and definitely that was a big relief to all the students क्योंकि 30 marks का वो पार्ट रहता है सेक्शन बी, दैट इज अ 30 मार्क्स आउट ऑफ 200, राइट. एंड उसमें काफी बच्चे मार्क्स लूज करते थे बिकॉज इन 30 सेकंड्स दे वर नॉट एबल टू आइडेंटिफाई एनी एलिमेंट्स इन द गिवन इमेज. दोस 15 seconds definitely was a big relief and helpful to all the students. Other than that, one major thing that was there, the principles of design questions, in which you have to select the 4 most important visual principles or visual elements. Those were in a good number, and definitely usually students face difficulty in that because वो थोड़े tricky रहते हैं. You can never be sure you are choosing the right. Other than that, if you talk about the maths and physics, the basic maths and physics in the examination, so it was on a moderate level, but in the maths part, geometry के थोड़े से questions थे. There were questions definitely on quantitative aptitude, but questions were also there on basic trigonometry. So that was one thing that was there. Physics में भी you are usually up to date with what happened in 11th and 12th क्योंकि भी recently तुमने 11th and 12th करा है, but questions are also there on the basic formulas, basic methods that you study in 10th class physics as well. So yeah, that is why please for the next attempt do remember, along with 11th and 12th physics, 10th के maths के concepts, 10th के physics के concepts भी are equally important. You cannot just rely on the 11th and 12th basic concept. The physics and maths was basic definitely, but yeah, you need to be aware of the basic concepts that you study in school. Other than that, you had questions on almost all the topics: history of architecture, building construction, building materials, famous architects, famous buildings. But yeah, a good number, usually थोड़े कम होते हैं, ज़्यादा रहते हैं. तो इस बार in this attempt principles of design के काफी सारे questions थे. But see, there is a very important thing. क्या होता है ना, like suppose एक साल में 3 attempt होते हैं, तो you'll never find कि वो तीनों attempt में एकदम same चीज रहती है. Basically what I want to say is, suppose इस attempt में principles of design के ज़्यादा questions हैं, then probably in the next attempt some other topic will have more weightage. Then probably in the third attempt, some other new topic will have a more weightage. So do not, completely fix your preparation strategy or completely plan your preparation as per the marks distribution in the first attempt, right? Because that will 99% change a little in the second and the third attempt as well. So your focus should be preparing equally for all the topics. Do not think कि अगर इस attempt में इस topic से ज़्यादा question आए तो next time भी उसी topic से आना ही आना है. You need to prepare equally, focus on each and every topic equally. क्योंकि हर attempt में जो weightage रहता है to the different topics, that changes a little, right? The topics will remain same. Topics नहीं नए आएंगे, but weightage जो है अलग-अलग topics का, that always varies a little. Also, you had around 4 or 5 questions on famous artists and famous paintings. आते तो हर साल हैं, like 2 साल से आ रहे हैं, but the numbers are the number of questions are usually less. 1, 2, 3 question होते हैं, तो 4 or 5 questions definitely are a good amount. So you need to make sure that topic also you're up to date with. इसके अलावा जो 1 markers थे, those were the questions usually जो बच्चों को tricky लगे, as we talk about the most of the students. So 2 and 3 markers were comparatively easier. जो problems ज़्यादातर आई है बच्चों को, the problems which they faced in the questions were mostly in the 1 marker questions, if any. 2 markers and 3 markers were comparatively easy, and that is actually a good thing because they are carrying more weightage in the examination. So अगर हम ओवरऑल बात करें, so the exam was moderate, मतलब moderate level पे था, ना ही ज़्यादा difficult वाली side में, ना ही on the easier side. It was in the middle, not difficult, not easy, on the medium side, on the moderate side, if we compare all the topics together. So and another very important thing, especially for the students who have not appeared for this attempt and are going to appear only for the future attempts. So basically, time problem is never there in the NATA exam, especially from the past 1 to 3 years. So you will 99% not face any time problem. Like in the JEE exam specifically, you have that time the time foundation. You have to do maths, even the aptitude, drawing, सब कुछ in that 3 hours. In the NATA examination now, as it is completely computer based, you don't have a lot of calculation. बहुत कुछ typical letter of calculation नहीं होती. There's nothing you have to think a lot in a lot of questions. So that is why you can take proper time in the question. Suppose तुमने पहले वो questions attempt करे, which you are 100% sure you know. In the second process you may, in the second level you may do the question जिसमें तुम्हें थोड़ा doubt था. In the end, देखो तुक्का तो मारना ही. You have to choose one option in every question because there is no negative marking. So you have to choose all the 125 questions, something or the other, right? So that is why you will have plenty of time. Usually there won't be a hurry. जल्दबाजी में question करने की जरूरत नहीं है. You can give proper time to each and every question. That time problem will 99% not be there. Even the visualization questions, the top view, front view, those were also quite basic. You could, the students have practiced for the JEE exam also. They could easily score in those questions. Do leave this in the comment. How, what did you feel about the examination? As per you, was it moderate for you? Was it easy for you? Was it little difficult for you? In that way, if all of you will comment, all the students who are watching the video and reading the comments will get an idea of the comparison. Different students का क्या review है for the first attempt examination. Other than that, we'll definitely make a detailed video of the answer key, discussing the marks distribution to the different topics and the solution to each and every question very soon. See, the answer key of the examination is out in 2-3 days. This is tomorrow kal exam hoga, so you can expect now within the next 1-3 days the answer key will be released. And definitely through the answer key we'll make a video, will help you understand the different questions and different approach of solving all the questions. Before that, one very important thing, if you're preparing for the NATA second and third attempt and you feel first attempt बहुत अच्छा नहीं किया, or you're not very good with your preparation as of now, so definitely we can help you become the next NATA topper to score best as per your potential. See, we are not like other institutes that we're just giving you classes, we do not care you come or not. If you are actually willing to work hard, if you actually want to score good, then only I would recommend you to prepare with us. Special architect faculty, with special reasoning faculty, special mathematics faculty to cater all the different topics that are there in the examination. We provide you daily live classes all 7 days a week, or approximately 4 to 6 hours daily live classes. Along with that, we give you all the previously solved papers of the NATA examination. We give you around 20 plus exam like online NATA mock tests. We give you around 300 plus individual topic based tests for your daily level practice. And a set of around 200 plus ebooks which covers everything you need to study, practice, learn. So you need not refer to any YouTube video or any internet or anywhere. We definitely help you from A to Z, preparing from the beginning to the revision to the practice and score best to give you a chance of being one of the NATA toppers. Definitely that depends on your potential as well as how much hard work you're putting in with us. So in order to learn more how we'll actually help you in the examination, prepare in the examination, you can attend our free demo classes. You can just WhatsApp or call us on this number given on the screen and get in touch with us for the same. Now, choosing the right thing, whether to give the second attempt or the third attempt or maybe give the 2 attempts, see, there can be 2 psychologies that you might follow or you might be having in your mind. So first, for the students who have actually prepared well for the first attempt, jinka 99%, 90% part is done, they just need to revise a little and do some topics which are left, and they want to end everything by the second attempt. For those students jinka first attempt ta काफी prepared tha, you can probably plan for preparing and appearing for the second attempt now. For the students definitely who have not prepared very much and they feel they need more time, because see, if you give the second attempt you get a month. If you give the third attempt, you get 2 months, right? So definitely 2 months you can prepare more, you can practice more, you can revise more. There is a chance of scoring better in comparatively less time. But maybe you are already preparing from a long enough time, right? So in that case, you already prepare kar chuke. You do not want to extend that preparation, doing that same thing again and again till 2 months. If you can do the same amount of practice, same amount of learning as any other student in that 1 month, because you're already almost there, right? Then you can also appear for the second attempt and be free, and then prepare for the college and other things that are coming in the future. Not give all your time to this tension and to the exam preparation, only if you are done with that already. Now, I would not recommend anyone to give both the attempts, only to the students who have given the first attempt, because if you give all the 3 attempts, I hope you are aware by now that the average of the best 2 scores is taken, right? So if you have given the first and second, third of dono doge, but then definitely the average दिया जाएगा best 2 का, so marks will decrease, right? So average में तो marks कम होंगे. That is why it is not recommended to give all the 3 attempts. Either choose the second attempt or the third attempt if you have given the first attempt. But that decision can vary a lot, and what I would actually recommend wo kis basis pe decision lo. One thing I have told, but another very important thing. First of all, the result of the exam, the 21st attempt wala exam, this 21st April exam, the first attempt is going to be released very soon. On 30th April, the result will be out, the scorecard will be out. So once the scorecard is out and you know your score, you can actually analyze how well you have done, किस topics में तुम्हारा अच्छा नहीं था, किस topic में तुम्हें कितना prepare करना है. based on your marks, based on your current scenario or the current target. Suppose तुम्हें 150 लाने थे, already 150 आ गए, you're getting your target college, then you give the second attempt भी ना दो तो भी क्या फर्क पड़ता है, right? But suppose you've gotten very less and you feel I need more time to prepare, at least 2 months तो मुझे चाहिए, so that will the result will change a lot of things. So क्या है, रिजल्ट नाटा का बहुत जल्दी आ रहा है. द रिजल्ट इज कमिंग ऑन 30th of April, just 8 days from now. एंड अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, अगर रजिस्ट्रेशन की बात करें तो सेकंड थर्ड अटेम्प्ट का रजिस्ट्रेशन ओपन है. एंड वेरी वेरी बिग अपडेट इज देयर. जो सेकंड अटेम्प्ट का एग्जाम है उसकी डेट शिफ्ट हो गई है फ्रॉम 28 मई. द एग्जाम इज ऑन नाउ नेक्स्ट मंथ ऑफ 3rd, राइट? 28 मई को 3rd जून को एग्जाम हो गया. तो सेकंड अटेम्प्ट 3rd जून को है एंड द थर्ड अटेम्प्ट ऑफ द नाटा एग्जाम इज सेम ऑन 9th of July. So 3rd June and 9th of July. And the registration for the same has started. For the third attempt, you can register till 20th June, till mid-June also. ठीक है. And for the second attempt also, the last date to register is 22nd of next month, the 22nd of May. So you have plenty of time. Result तो भी 8 दिन में आ ही जाएगा. There's no hurry, right? Wait for the result आने दो, then decide do you want to apply for the second attempt or the third attempt. So that will be the best way to choose. And so there's no hurry, wait for the result, then apply after that. So I hope I have answered most of your queries. So take the decision wisely based on the result, and I hope all of you will get very good results as per your preparation level, जितना तुमने prepare करा. And also do leave the comments किसका एग्जाम कैसा गया, easy था, मुश्किल था, अच्छा था, बुरा था, what marks you were expecting. So all the other students can also get a good idea of the difficulty, of what kind of thoughts are there in the other students' minds. So thank you guys, that will be all for today's video. See you in my next video. Bye bye.